Hello, clarinets. It's Mr. Dean, and we're here to talk about the two-note tune. And guess how many notes it has? It has two notes, although we play a little bit of a different rhythm in between each one. First thing I want to talk about is your music packet. Really important that you have a place to put your music packet. I recommend, obviously the best thing to have is a music stand to be able to hold your music, kind of eye level. If you try to play the clarinet with your music on a table, then you're going to be looking down like this. And there's something about that angle. It makes your lip not put in the right place, and it kind of makes your embouchure a little weird, is you're going to squeak a lot. I'm going to have a separate video for preventing clarinet squeaks, but I would just like to point out that if you put your music on a table, it might cause some squeaks by changing your embouchure. So that's definitely, and even if you can do something like get it up on a shelf, prop it up next to the TV, put it somewhere safe that's a little bit up high, get close to your eye line so that you can really see that music. Okay, now let's talk about the two notes. Our first note that we learned was C, which, reminder, we have our thumb underneath, our left thumb on the thumb hole, and we're going to line up our 1, 2, 3 fingers right here. That's a C. One note that's higher than a C is you're going to lift up your third finger. So it's now 2 fingers down, thumb, 1, 2, and that is a D. Let's listen to the difference of those. Here's a C. And here is a D. I'm going to lift up my third finger. Okay. This week is really all about trying to control that embouchure as best we can. If you have a squeak or something like that, start with how you're holding the instrument. Also start if you're like really tensioning your mouth down or something like this. You have a little bit of pressure of your bottom lip that's on the reed, but that's really about it. Okay. Another thing to be thinking about is if you're putting in the wrong buttons, right? If you're pressing the wrong buttons on this, just like a computer is going to do gobbledygook, so will your instrument. So make sure that you're just doing this for C and this for D. Okay. Again, I'm going to be adding a video very soon about how to prevent squeaks, but I would like you guys to work hard on the two-note tune. Make sure you're scanning your eyes on each note. Per usual, we're going to have 3 versions of the song: the slow version, the fast version, and the by yourself version. So I hope you practice and master each one during your practice time this week. Thank you, clarinets.